Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I will be showing you guys how you can create a sunset lamp edit without having like a sunset lamp on CapCut. So just click on the video or photo you want to add the sunset light to. Go to effects, video effects, and you're going to want to go to shadow and find sunset light. There's like also a moon projection one. There's just a lot to choose from, as you can see, but I'm just going to choose the sunset light one. And here's where you can adjust like the size of the lamp, the intensity, and this is where you can like move the light to. For instance, you don't really want it here, you can move it horizontally and also vertically. So maybe there, yeah, it's up to you where you want it to be. And once you're done, you're just going to press the checkmark button and export it. That is pretty much it. Super simple, but I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!